Morning guys, alright, it's Wednesday and I've got this little fault with the Polo 1.4 TSI. So that's the engine that we're looking at here. And engine light on, EPC light on, and it was running like a sack of shit basically, or barely running, it was horrible. And what I found is, obviously you run the codes, we've got a throttle issue. So I've taken the throttle body off just to see if it's gummed up. If you've ever done out like this before guys, these can come up if it's a particularly rough running engine or it has ran badly for a while. And you've got really nothing to lose by taking the end cover off. So just the end cap here, and you can see the potentiometer there and all the circuit board. It looks alright, there's no blue fuzzy stuff, so water can get into these. They are supposed to be sealed, you can just about see a seal in there, but they can fail. Also, anything you've seen before, sort of EGR style, you can see that these plastic sprockets, the teeth can either snap off, wear, and stop it turning that way. However, this one's a little bit different. So you've got the actuator there, which moves in and out as you apply the throttle. Now that motor does the turning, so that's working fine, the motor. And the teeth on this sprocket are all right. Now what we have got is, hopefully I can get the camera in there, this spring has snapped. There you go, you can see it down there like that. So what should happen is, it should turn and it should spring back like that. But it's not, it's just turning and staying. So what had happened is it was kind of just sat closed, or barely closed. So anytime you applied the throttle, it won't do anything. So if I show you on the newer one, so the end caps to take off, by the way, it's just easy, just pull them tabs off. I haven't broken anything. And on the newer one, obviously I'm not going to take the new one apart, but you press it down and it fires back. Yeah, it's exactly what it should be doing. Whereas this one, that's just wafting about in the wind. So this is a brand new throttle body that I'm going to stick on the car now with a new seal. So always put a new seal. I'm going to give you the part numbers for these. This is obviously specific to this car, but do check with your local dealer. So this one's 03F 133062B, and that's just for your throttle body. And then you've got the seal here, which is 03C 133073 Alpha, and that's just your seal that goes in between your inlet manifold and of course that flat surface there. So I'm going to get this fitted now guys, run the basic settings, and we're going to have a car that actually works again. So I wanted to bring you along for this little one just to show you, don't discount anything yet. It might be an electrical fault, but it might be a mechanical issue causing the electrical fault. So check everything guys, and if you get this throttle body, give it a shake. That's the rattle, so that's leads your suspicions right there. Anyway guys, have a fantastic day because it's going to get noisy in here. I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye.